Welcome to Rolling Farmhouse. This is our Palomino Solaire 316 RLTS. As you come in the front door, control center, some hooks, we're going to go right into the kitchen and the refrigerator. We have a residential style refrigerator, plenty of space down below, and a separate freezer up at the top. Plenty of room for your ice cream or keep your beers cold. We have a 3-burner stove and a oven that does a really good job. Up above the refrigerator, above the stove, is a nice little cabinet and the microwave. Comes with a coffee pot and 3 very large drawers stocked with utensils and pots and pans. Some other goods and accessories with some paper